Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget microwaves, or just want to have the best one that money can buy, we have an option for you. In this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best microwaves in the market today. You can find links to the products in the description. If you've got another product in mind that you would like us to review, please comment down below. We'll look into it as soon as possible, and let you know how it compares to the items listed in this roundup. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. Do you love rectangular stainless steel boxes? If you do, you'll love the LCRT 2010 Street. Joking aside, LG has done little to separate this microwave from the herd, insofar as design is concerned. Like most microwaves, it also seems designed with ease and speed of use in mind. The aforementioned TrueCook Plus lets users simply enter a code on a frozen food box. This microwave automatically selects a cooking time accordingly. If you do make a mess, a round cavity wall and easy clean surface makes cleaning less of an arduous process. The LG countertop microwave certainly is affordable, but some iffy results in our evenness tests and borderline unusable defrosting settings keep it from earning our highest recommendation. If you like to press a button, and let your microwave do the rest of the work, this LG will do the trick. But if you like to be in control of your cooking, look elsewhere. Overall, the innovative features on LG countertop microwaves make mealtime preparation quick and easy. Countertop microwaves are a great way to get the whole family involved in mealtime preparation. Unlike traditional microwaves that rely on pulse-on, pulse-off cooking at lower temperatures, patented inverter technology generates a steady stream of power at all temperature settings. The result? Consistent, evenly prepared food edges to center across a wider range of cooking techniques. Inverter technology delivers microwave energy in a way that allows delicate foods to simmer without overcooking. In addition, foods retain more color, texture and nutrients for fast, easy and delicious results. This delivery of microwave energy allows delicate foods to simmer without overcooking, so foods have the look and taste you expect, without the wait. As you have probably gathered, we're big fans of the large-capacity Panasonic. But what's not to like? Its appearance may not stir any emotions beyond indifference, but we're willing to let that slide considering its exemplary performance. Plus, it will blend in with your other stainless appliances. While the defrost setting may have left us cold, literally and figuratively, this Panasonic had no problems with any other food we sent its way. When it came to cooking evenness, sensor accuracy, and popcorn popping, it easily surpassed our expectations. One of the best countertop microwave brands we've come across is the GE countertop microwave oven. It's the norm with most microwave manufacturers. One major area most brands pay much attention to is the appearance. To showcase their dominance and taste for quality, GE has managed to get this right by designing this flagship microwave with a stunning stainless steel exterior. When it comes to offering simplicity, GE has again gotten things right. The GE is fitted with an intuitive touch control panel that has been mounted on the right side of the appliance. The touch control panel features a keypad, clearly labeled presets, for popcorn, beverage, potato, reheat, wait defrost and time defrost, and other cooking controls such as the power level, on, off timer, time cook, sound, clock and start pause buttons. One major issue is with the size. This microwave is definitely too small to suit large families. However, for customers with small countertop space or those people who enjoy traveling a lot, such as truck drivers, this microwave will definitely suit their demands as it's both sleek and lightweight, making carrying it a breeze. All in all, customers searching for a budget microwave oven have not been left behind either, as the GE is available at an affordable price. This Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet 1100 watt black stainless steel microwave is the ideal size for apartment kitchens, or office break rooms. Sensor reheating lets you optimally cook 6 of the most popular food items with the touch of a button. Choose from 10 power levels up to 1100 watts. The large digital display has a clock function and can also display a countdown timer as well as the cooking time remaining. Just a solid microwave. Program up to 3 favorite time and power combinations for additional one-touch convenience. Easily open or close the microwave with the large, easy-to-grip door handle. The black stainless steel exterior looks good in any kitchen. When you want to have something ready to eat fast, a microwave is very convenient. Reheat or cook meals, side dishes, snacks, desserts, and beverages. This microwave's sensor buttons take the guesswork out of reheating your favorite foods. The microwave senses the amount of steam produced during cooking, and automatically adjusts for optimal results. No guesswork needed for commonly microwaved foods. Press one of the pre-programmed buttons and the microwave automatically adjusts for different foods. Make popcorn, melt butter, cook bacon, reheat a frozen entree, and more. According to most potential shoppers, the first feature that draws your attention the moment you spot something is the design. Having learned this, Toshiba has managed to design this flagship microwave oven with a stylish black stainless steel exterior that is not only elegant but will ideally match with your kitchen countertop. Speaking of the size, the Toshiba microwave oven comes with a compact size that makes it ideal for small kitchens, offices, and dorms. Now, for those of who can't sacrifice the quality, this section is for you. First, this convection microwave oven is powered by a 900 watts motor that allows you to accomplish massive tasks with the shortest time possible. Secondly, this microwave oven has 10 power levels, a one-touch button and a digital display with a LED interior lighting for easy preparation of your favorite dishes. After conducting extensive research about the Toshiba EM925A5ABS microwave oven, it's clear that this microwave oven is a perfect choice for people living in small apartments. Designed with numerous smart features, this microwave oven is also an excellent choice for kitchen enthusiasts looking forward to advancing their kitchen skills to a professional level.